Our Democratic caucus is united in believing in universal health care. What we're talking about today is granting waivers of states to offer junk insurance plans. These plans let the insurance companies get away with everything, with murder, figuratively speaking, because these junk plans cover virtually nothing, and people end up paying a lot of money for almost no coverage. And they get, these salesmen try to sell them this stuff, and then when they get sick and they see how little coverage is, they're shocked that they actually bought into such a plan. Health care, and we have many ways to get there. The plans are so skimpy they don't even cover essential health benefits, prescription drugs, maternity coverage. The deductibles and copays are so high, the coverage threadbare, that these plans aren't even worth the paper they're written on. So I'm proud to join with my colleagues in introducing the Congressional Review Act resolution. Every one of our 47 Democrats is on board that would repeal the junk insurance waiver. We don't need the majority leader to put this on the floor. This is one of the ways, one of the few, that we can overcome his legislative graveyard, where so much worthy legislation sits at lower cost for everybody.
So this resolution is going to give Republicans a chance to go on record in support of pre-existing condition protections, because we are going to force them, because they have tried to do all this through a dangerous rule that the Trump administration proposed. The rule, in effect, lets states have a green light to insurance companies to sell a junk plan.
This is primarily aimed at sort of pinning down.
If a state wants to do more to help people, they can use this provision to do so. What the Republicans have said is, nope, we're not interested in using that rule to do better. We're going to use it in a secret way to, in effect, have seniors do worse. And the law doesn't allow that. Lets people do better, not worse.
This, and I'm sure that he would. So, as Senator Wyden said,
we made a judgment that states ought to have a chance to do better. So to make sure that would happen, we put in some guardrails, some consumer protections. You can't unravel coverage just arbitrarily. There are 3 or 4 guardrails. So what the administration tried to do was a scam. They said, well, we'll see if we can just issue a guidance, and maybe we can get away with something that is a huge departure from consumer protection, which is junk insurance.
And we're going to figure out the strongest and best way to provide